Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to create a discount inside of ClickFunnels. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go down to the description section to sign up for your free trial today. And also too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section, so make sure you check those out as well. So today we're going to talk about how to create a discount inside of ClickFunnels. So we're going to go over here to the left side under the apps section right here, and we're going to click discounts. Now, if discounts isn't appearing under your app section, you'll have to make sure you add the app, and you could easily do that by going to add apps, then find the discount app, and then add the app. So we're going to go down to discounts, and this gives us the list of discounts that we have. So we're going to click create discount, and this is where we create our discounts. So first we need to do is create the discount name and coupon code. So we're going to call this spring 20% off, and then we'll say this is spring 20 for spring 20% off. Now for the discount type, there's two options. You could either have it be a percentage or a fixed amount. So in this example, we're going to do 20%. So right here is the entitlement section. So this is where we apply the coupon to either all products, specific products, or a specific collection. So I'm just going to leave it as all products for right now. Now, if we scroll up to the top, we have two options right here. So we have the status, where we could have a scheduled discount, where we could set the start date and time and end date and time. And then down here below, we have some advanced options as well. So we can have it where we require a minimum spend. We could limit to one use per customer, or we could do not apply to all invoices for an order. So I'm just going to uncheck these all for right now. And then I'm going to click create discount. And then we have our coupon code right here, spring 20% off. And that's how we create a discount inside ClickFunnels. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me by either booking a call in the description section or comment below this video, and I'd love to help you out.